Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Chris from Unbox Addiction. Here's another unboxing and an opinion of the Mainstay microwave. My microwave blew out last night, so I went up to Walmart this morning and got a new one. I just wanted just a no frills, no bells and whistles, just a basic microwave. This one seems to be a little bit smaller than the one I had before, so hopefully it'll leave me some cabinet space. Anyways, let's go ahead and unbox it. I already cut it open, so let's just pull it out. I'm going to pause this while I lift it out the box. So that's basically it. It's a microwave. That's not really much I can say. I can't really rate how much it heats my food or anything like that. I just need something just to heat my food. Anyways, I just need a new microwave. So here we go. I'll go ahead and set this up and get back to you guys in a minute. And there it is, all plugged up and set up, time set and everything. That's pretty much it. It's a decent sized microwave just to get the job done. Anyways, this is the Mainstay, which I believe is the Walmart brand of microwaves. Costs about 40 bucks, if you round up, 40 bucks. Anyways, this is Chris with Unbox Addiction. If you like these videos, please like, comment, subscribe. If you didn't, well, as always, I appreciate you watching anyways. You guys take care, and I will see you next time.